Hi guys, Captain Nick here at MarineMax St. Petersburg on a 2015 19-foot Regal, recently serviced with 100 hours. So when you think MarineMax, everybody thinks of your one-stop shop for the new boating experience, but it's often overlooked our extensive used inventory. So hop on board and I'll show you what we have to offer. So one of the things you'll notice throughout this gem is the quality of the upholstery. Come on up here. Still has all of its cushioning. Still has all of its color, still have all of its vibrance. Really impressive for a used boat especially. Another thing I'd like to point out is the abundance of speakers on this boat. Really get the tunes cranking, you're at the sandbar, you're cruising down to Intercoastal. They're gonna hear you, trust me. Fusion head unit, all of your pumps and switches in working order. Nice captain's chair right here, which folds up for a shorter fellow like me. So one of the things that's a hit on this model Regal is the luxurious, classy wood grain finish right there. Really gives this boat a classic look. So now it's time to get down to the nitty gritty. In here, you've got a Volvo Penta V6 200 horsepower engine, only 100 hours and recently serviced. Pretty much just broken in. So once again, come on down, check out our extensive used inventory, always getting new stuff in on trade, and there's a lot of deals to be had. Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and let's get you back out on the water. Thanks, guys.